Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to read Rainy Day by Jerome Anderson. Cool rain boots. I like those. This is a chapter book, and there are 3 chapters in this book. As I'm reading, I would like you to think about how do people get along? Chapter 1, Rain. Jenna looked out the window and moaned. "Oh, it's still raining," she said. "Now my day with Nikki is not going to be fun. I hate rain. It's so boring." There's Jenna looking out the window. Jenna's cousin Nikki was coming over to play for the day. They had planned to play at the park. They had planned a picnic too. Rain drummed harder on the roof. "And it's noisy," Jenna shouted. Gran came into the living room. "Did I hear you describe the rain as boring and noisy?" she asked. "Sounds like somebody got up on the wrong side of the bed." "I did not," Jenna said. "I got up the same way I do always." There's Grandma. She has a pretty smile. "You know what I mean, Grumpy Pants," Gran said. She looked amused. "The rain is good for the earth. You and Nikki can make other plans. Use your imagination." What are some things you like to do when it's raining outside? Do you think Jenna and Nikki will do some of the same things? We'll see. Chapter 2, Still Grumpy. Just then the doorbell rang. Aunt Susan and Nikki came in. They left their wet umbrellas by the door. Nikki was wearing rain boots. There's Aunt Susie and Nikki. Look at those cool rain boots. Do you have rain boots? "Look," Nikki said, holding up one foot. "I have been so patient. I've been waiting for months to wear these boots. The yellow ducks look just like bath toys. Let's go splash in puddles." Nikki is excited about her rain boots, and she has a raincoat to match. "I don't want to get wet," Jenna said. "The rain is awful. I want it to be sunny so we can go to the park. That would be fun." "Maybe the sun will come out later," Aunt Susie said. "Until then, you can have a peaceful day inside. I'm sure you will find ways to stay entertained." Aunt Susan is very positive. I like that about her. Nikki said goodbye to her mother. Jenna sat on the couch and pouted. Gran looked at Jenna and said, "That's enough. I know you're down in the dumps about the park, but you can still have a fun day." Did you think of some cool things that they can do inside? I have a pretty good idea of something they can do. Jenna sighed. She knew Gran was right. She was being kind of silly. Nikki sat down next to her. "I like the rain," Nikki said, "but I'm sorry you're sad." I think Nikki is being a really good, positive cousin. Chapter 3. "Oh, it's okay," Jenna said. "Do you still want to go splash? I can get my rain boots." "Sure," Nikki said, "and I have an idea for what to do there. We can have a picnic inside." "An inside picnic? How can we do that?" Jenna asked. "We can get the picnic blanket and put it on the floor. Then we can make a picnic lunch. We can eat it inside. We won't get wet. And there won't be any bugs," Nikki said. That's a think bubble. She's imagining what she's saying. Looks like a pretty good idea to me. That sounds like fun, Jenna agreed. We can splash around outside first, then we'll make lunch. Can we make cookies too, Gran? She asked. Now their attitude has changed. Gran said yes. I love to see my girls cooperate. You go splash and I'll get out the things we need. This rainy day is not so bad, Jenna said. Why does Grandma have 2 umbrellas? One for each girl. Wow. And that's our story of Rainy Day.